Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Nova Y61, and today I'll show you how you can insert your SIM and SD card into this phone. Now to get started, you want to grab a SIM eject tool, which should come provided with the device in the box. If you can't find this, I can just grab a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Once you have one of those, you want to take off a case if you have one on your device. There we go. And the tray is located on the top left side of the phone, as you can see right here. So grab the pin, place it in an insert hole right there, and then push it in. And once you push it in, you will see that the tray comes out ever so slightly, enough for you to take it out and have space for your dedicated SIM and SD card. Now the SD tray actually doubles as a dual SIM tray. So if you're planning to use two different SIM cards, you could just place one right here, sideways, whoops. And there we go. And the other one would go like this. I'll just insert the cards into the device, and they should start working right away. So there we go, SIM card is already working. And the SD card should be working as well. Let's see if it's showing up. There we go, so it is. Now unfortunately it's a HUAWEI device, so stupidly it decided to change the language to language of the SIM card. Because screw your choices that you have selected throughout the setup process, and not only did it change the language, it also decided to completely remove the previous one. So if it was English, and now it's completely gone. Now if you're the type of person that just get their language switched to, I don't know, one that you don't speak, I'm going to just quickly show you how you can change that because reasons. So we're just solving a problem that shouldn't even exist. So anyway, start off by just opening up settings. It's like this. I'm going to scroll all the way down to system, I believe, which is the second last option, then the fourth option from the top, and first one. And here you want to select the text to add language, and find your desired language from here. I'm going to quickly find English, there we go. Now when a pop-up comes out, you want to select change, which will be on the right side. And there we go. So we just solved the problem that shouldn't exist. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.